Learn when to be silent. Be silent in the heat of anger. Be silent when you don't have all the facts. Be silent when you have not verified the story. Be silent if your words will offend a weaker person. Be silent when it is time to listen. Be silent when you are tempted to make light of holy things. Be silent when you are tempted to joke about sin. Be silent if you would be ashamed of your words later. Be silent if your words would convey the wrong impression. Be silent if the issue is none of your business. Be silent when you are tempted to tell an outright lie. Be silent if your words will damage someone else's reputation. Be silent if your words will damage a friendship. Be silent when you are feeling critical. Be silent if you can't say it without screaming. Be silent if your words will be a poor reflection of your friends and family. Be silent if you may have to eat your words later. Be silent if you have already said it more than one time.